Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I'm going to review Bitcoin very quickly, and then I will do the Friday report of all news of the week. So if you didn't pay attention to the news over the week, you need to see this video in order to be informed about the crypto space. Before we continue, remember that I launched the most amazing giveaway. I will be giving half of a Bitcoin to one winner and 5 Ethereum to 5 different winners. So in order to participate, check the link in the description, but remember that you need to be subscribed to the channel with the bell on. And leave me your comments on the video. What do you think about all that happened this weekend over the crypto space? And what are your expectations over Bitcoin right now? Without anything else, let's go into it. Well, Bitcoin has been doing exactly what I say on my last video. My last video I did a technical analysis on Bitcoin, and I show you how where everybody was telling that we were going to the moon in these recovery candles. I say, wait a minute, pay attention. We need to break this very big resistance line. This blue line, I put it 3-4 days ago. It's not something that I just put. I have been checking this support and resistance line from a lot of days already, and I mentioned, look, we are seeing this Wyckoff distribution pattern. We may be in phase D right now. So in order to annulate this pattern, we need to create a higher high or a first higher here. And we did not do that. We needed to create a higher high of this, and we need to break this resistance line. We didn't do that, and right now we are correcting from that point. Right now at $53,000, and if we now can get again and test the support here at 46 or even $49,000 on this rectangle of support, you need to pay attention to that. If we break $46,000, the next barrier it will be at $41,000. So pay attention, because this distribution Wyckoff pattern has been playing out exactly as I told on my last video. I also mentioned this is a support line from the RSI, a daily RSI from a lot of time. 3-4 months already have been this line here. And in my last video I mentioned we need to break this resistance area now. Was support 5 times before, now it's resistance. And look how the curve of the RSI already pointing down. The same thing happened with the stochastic. It's already changing the course on the middle of the flow. So right now I am a little bearish on this. I think we can see this distribution Wyckoff pattern playing out. So if this continue playing, we can see $40,000 on Bitcoin or even $30,000. That doesn't mean that the bull run is over, but we could see a very big correction. Things to check is the 21 weekly moving average. You need to check that, and if we break that, the other breaking moving average will be the 34 weekly moving average. So pay attention to those levels in order to see how the market reacts. But right now we need to break this, and we need to create a higher high. So we need to create a higher high of $59,000 in order to invalidate this. Right now this is playing exactly as the Wyckoff pattern. Before we continue with the video, remember that I am doing an amazing giveaway. I will be giving half of a Bitcoin to one winner and 5 Ethereum to 5 different winners. If you want to participate, it's super easy, just a couple of clicks. Follow the link in the description. But remember that you need to be subscribed to the channel with the bell on to be considered. Well guys, going into the news, I divided into adoption good news from the crypto space, and the bad news that will be delays on mass adoption or maybe frauds around the crypto space. First here Coinbase debut buy with PayPal future. Coinbase is allowing US users to buy cryptocurrency with their PayPal accounts in a major expansion of the exchange's funding rails. proposal legislation in Germany could allow 425 billion to flow into crypto report. Under the legislation, wealth managers known will be able to invest up to 20% in digital assets. A new German law could theoretically bring as much as 350 billion euros of institutional investment into the crypto market. MasterCard to explore applications it can build on top of CBDCs. In the company's latest quarterly earnings call, the CEO of MasterCard noted that the company is investing in smart contract technology to pair with central banks' digital currencies. These two major banks team up for tokenization of real estate and art marketplace. This is in Germany. The two concerns of the German financial landscape are working together to create a blockchain-based marketplace for real estate and art. Paxos raises 300 million and joins Crypto Unicorn Club at 2.4 billion valuation. Bitcoin ETF hopeful Wisdom 3 lists Ethereum ATP in Germany. The company's application to list a Bitcoin ETF in US is currently being reviewed by the SEC. Asset manager Wisdom 3 has listed Ethereum exchange trade product on Dutch Bordeaux Extra Market in Frankfurt and Swiss Stock Exchange in Zurich. The US will not raise China to develop a CBDC. Again, news about that China and other countries are developing more products and more advanced stuff of the cryptocurrency space, and US, because of regulations, is getting behind. Mass adoptions looms as South America's second largest company accepts crypto payments. Mercado Libre's move to accept cryptocurrency payments for real estate could usher in a new way of crypto mass adoption in South America. This company, Mercado Libre, is like Amazon to buy products and services. So this is one of the biggest companies of that market on South America. PayPal crypto partner Paxos raised 300 million to include a new funding round, include PayPal Ventures to raise more money to that. EOEC partners with Ethiopian government to revamp up education system. This is what has been talking about Cardano. The blockchain technology will be used to engage the educational experience of 5 million students and 750,000 teachers across the East of African nation. Swiss Stock Exchange, SIX and Bourse Central list physical bucket Ethereum ATP. Residents of Caribbean island can conduct local transactions using Bitcoin. So everybody that say that you cannot pay with Bitcoin, well, you can do that in this Caribbean island. Again, Elon Musk boosts Dogecoin again. Fresh, strong interest in altcoins. But again, Dogecoin had a peak because Elon Musk landed a Twitter again. JP Morgan and DBS to launch blockchain cross-border payment platform. Fulfillment of Satoshi dreams. Ethereum gets a note from JP Morgan, and this is very important that demonstrate the bullishness of JP Morgan on Ethereum, and has been already a couple of news about that. Japanese gaming giant Nexus invests 100 million into Bitcoin. Ripple wants to go public after settling the CSC lawsuit, SB CEO says. This is a big news for all the Ripple and XRP funds. The largest outside Ripple shareholder believes that XRP-related firm will go public shortly after settling its lawsuit with the SEC. Mark Cuban tried to convince Ellen DeGeneres to accept Dogecoin. Mark Cuban is also, like Elon Musk, a pump of Dogecoin coin. Possible Bitcoin Treasury adoption as more companies cite inflation concerns. This is all the thing that Michael Saylor has been doing talking with companies to put some of the money that they have in cash in the reserve, put it into Bitcoin. And this could lead also to a uptrend on the price. Bitcoin Crypto Exchange to launch its own NFT platform. This is based off Binance and is launching in June a new NFT platform on Marketplace. I have not sold any of my Bitcoin, says Elon Musk. Tesla books huge profit from Bitcoin sale in Q1. Also have been this notice that Tesla sell a little of the Bitcoin that they bought in January, and they got $272 clean million from that. Nigerian hotel becomes country first to accept Bitcoin payments. And this is not from another cryptocurrency, it's Bitcoin payments. Demand for PayPal's crypto offering exceed all expectations, says the CEO of PayPal. Ibiza without Ibiza, the virtual amnesia dancer floor launch on the Centraland. This is a partnership with the club on Ibiza with the Centraland that you can go there. Chinese online retail giant JD.com adopts digital yuan for salary payments. Binance stock tokens may violate law, Germany financial watchdog says. Binance is offering stock tokens like the Tesla, Coinbase, and MicroStrategy. It's not completely secure or regulated, and they are having issues with that. And there are a couple of risks right now of using that. The CEC delays the Banek Bitcoin ETF, the decision to June at the earliest. So again, they are pushing back the ETF. We have a lot of news this week from the Turkey scams to a different exchange. And Turkey may establish central custodian bank following alleged fraud at 2 major exchanges. And the Irish crypto firms must comply with money laundering laws for the first time. So mainly we have a lot of news about mass adoption, and we have the 4 arrests after the Turkish exchange Bitcoin closes its door. And this is the second fraud of the week on Turkey. Well, this is mainly all the news of the week. I think this paints the big picture of everything that happened this week. A lot of mass adoption, a lot of updates that could lead to mass adoption also. So please, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell to get a notification. Remember to subscribe to the giveaway. The link is in the description, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.